and let the one who has no sword sell his cloak and buy one.
Hey guys, this is Spencer Defense Training. I want to go over battery replacements for your laser training cartridges. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, we make custom Kydex holsters, so make sure to go check our holster store out, and the link will be down in the description below. Thanks.
Alright guys, so we're back, and I want to go over battery replacement for your laser training cartridges, and this can be any of your laser training cartridges. So I'm going to link the cartridges that I use down below. So it will be an Amazon link. Both of them, I'm going to link the batteries as well to the Amazon link. And do know that yes, I make commission, but however, each one of these sold is like 10 cents. So it's not a whole lot, but it helps me recoup some from the channel because I don't make any money on YouTube. I never signed up for any of that, and they wouldn't do it with gun stuff anyway. But this is CV Life. There's another video that I've went over the laser cartridges that I suggest. They're cheap and they work really, really well, in fact. But the batteries, a lot of times with your laser cartridges, you know, you get these little individual batteries and it's kind of hard. You got to put one and then another and another. And so some of these come like this. But if you go order these guys, if you look at the pack, it's got, you know, you've got your, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 batteries in a pack, and you got your little tear strips, and you can pull them out in the back and all that stuff. I just cut mine along here and pulled it out, but if you look at it, it's 3 batteries. I don't know if it's going to do it or not. 3 batteries already in a little rolled pack. So all you do is you take this, it's so much easier, and you just pop it down in, put your cap on, and make sure you're being careful with this, because this is, I'm assuming this is actually aluminum plated with a brass color. It's probably aluminum. So make sure you don't strip those threads. But yeah, so that's all it is. So you've got your little 3 packs. And again, I will link these in the description below. I don't remember how much this was. Around $10, I think, for 10 refills. And they make several different sizes, so make sure you get the right size. I do know for the CV Life ones, the 3LR41 is the replacement for them. However, some of yours are going to take, because I have some laser cartridges as well, that take these 626s. So you got the 41s, the 626s. 626 is a little smaller, the 41s are a little larger. So make sure you look at your battery before you replace it, and make sure you look at each one of yours as well, because I actually ordered these, and then these take 4 of these. Wasn't thinking about it, I just grabbed one of the batteries I had and looked at it. So make sure you order the right one, which isn't a big deal for me. I have laser cartridges, I can throw these in as well. However, make sure you check it out, make sure you know which one it is. And it may not be the 3LR41, it may say something else on your battery, but the 3LR41 is the replacement, and it will say that as well. So this one is a L736F battery, and this is the replacement for it. So that will replace several, and it works perfectly, and it works well. So I just wanted to go over a little tip. So you don't have to take each individual battery and put it in there. You can just buy it in your little pack, and then you've got your pack of batteries in there. Now sometimes they're a little difficult to get out, and you don't necessarily have to take these all the way out. However, when you're done with your laser cartridge, I suggest taking the back off. This is one reason I like these guys. They've got this neat little tin here. Take the back off, and then what I just did there is I just knocked the battery down so it's not making contact. So there's no battery drainage at this point. So I can just kind of put that back in here, put that sideways, and there's no battery drainage now, and I can just close it up. And then when I go to use it, the battery will be good. Because I know a lot of you guys, you'll use your cartridge, and then 3 weeks later you come back to use your cartridge again. I'm guilty of doing this. One of my cartridges, I'd pull it out and it'd be dead. So then I have to replace the battery because I forgot to take it out of the pack. It's not a big drainage, but it will drain. So if you're using it every day, not a big deal. But if you're not using it every day, at least if not taking it out, knock it down far enough to where it's not making contact with anything. and then sitting in there is not going to hurt because it's on this little plastic casing. It's a little individual plastic wrap. It won't drain the battery that way. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to go over a little tip that I've picked up, that I found these a while back, and then it comes in with the, they're all the laser cartridges that I know are 3 batteries, so these come packed with your 3 batteries, and they're 4 bore sight laser cartridges is how they advertise them. But I'll put a link in the description below. Stay safe, stay armed.
Hey guys, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you don't mind, and share it if you would. This really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, we offer different styles of training. So we offer concealed weapons classes here in Anderson, South Carolina. Also, we offer advanced training, and we offer church safety team training. So you can go check all that out at defensetraining.org. And then, of course, we make holsters. We have our online holster store, so if you go check that out, and that's holstersbydefensetraining.com. And all these links are below. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.